Enough!
Your stomach's trying to tell you something, isn't it?
No, it's not. You're hearing things.
Okay, don't mind if I do.
Who knew that one fish could bring so much joy? I never thought I'd be jealous of a cat.
Sounds good to me.
Well done, Happy. You make this old man very proud.
Guys, enough with the growling stomachs.
You were saying?
Shut up.
On a little...
I think your stomach might have different plans.
Yes, but which one do we listen to?
Search the area for mushrooms or anything that looks edible. And don't eat the food in the village, okay? While you're all doing that, Master and I'll try to figure out what's going on.
Yeah,
I'll tell you someday. But what matters now is
We're still hungry!
Good thing we made it here. The rain isn't stopping.
Sorry.
Hey, I was wondering. You live alone, don't you?
Yeah,
Then who cooks your meals for you?
I just eat at the guild.